So as you can see here, this is my rewards balance so far. It's 400 points, and just to let you guys know, 100 points in this program equals $1. And by literally doing nothing, this is a $10 Amazon coupon here that I redeemed recently, and this is a $25 Amazon coupon, and then I redeemed a while ago. You know, same stuff here. This is another 25 Amazon card, another 25 Amazon card. And with this other program I'm in, you can see this is from service at PayPal of, them telling me that they send me money. So you can see $15, $10, 10, 5, 15, 5, 15, 5, 5, $20 at one point, $25. So yeah, and literally to do this, I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to do no surveys, no cashback. I didn't have to buy anything initially. I just literally installed these apps. Then once I installed them, I literally just let them run on my phone and they pay me money. It's literally that simple. And I've earned over $440 doing this, and I'm gonna show you how you can too. So what's going on, guys? My name is Bogle. My channel focuses mainly on SMMA growth and how to get clients and how to get results for SMMA clients. But along those lines, it's making money online. I remember way back when I made how to make money online videos. SMMA is, making money online, but there are other ways to make money online. Although I think SMA is definitely the most profitable and the easiest to get started with. And I have a lot more videos on my channel if you need to look at that. But there are some cases where, you just want to do nothing and still have, make money online. And there are cases like these. So overall, how do these apps work and stuff like that? So the apps I'm talking about are apps that are involved in data collection, right? So pretty much data is one of the most valuable, as a marketer, data is one of the most valuable things that someone could give you, right? So since data is so valuable, because with valuable data they can know something about the general audience and they can use that data to sell them something, and then they can make money from it. So that's why your data is so valuable. But there's a lot of things with data privacy and like a lot of different software and encryption software that's like, oh, people don't want to share their data for the most part, right? Which is understandable. You just don't want all your information out there. But what if you got paid just for them to collect data on you? So that's what these programs are. So the first one I'm going to talk about is, at the time of recording this video, I'm not sure if they're still open, if they're accepting new people, but they could be. And by the time you watch this video, you may be able to join. And the first thing is from your favorite person, Google. So what Google Opinion Rewards is pretty much you install the mobile app or you install it in the tablet, and you earn more points for more things that you have it installed in. So if you have a phone and an app, if you have a phone and a tablet, you can earn double the points. And then by doing this, you earn points weekly. So you earn 200 points a week, and then you can earn 200. So you can earn $4. I think like up to $4 weekly by just installing this app on your phone. And then you literally, after that, all it does is it tracks your data. It tracks how you use your phone. It tracks the sites that you go on, etc., etc. But honestly, as a marketer, we already do that anyway. With Facebook Pixel, the Google the Google Pixel for the most part, or the Google remarketing tag, we already do that. So we can already track you, and Google already knows, what you do on the web already. So why not just get paid for it, right? So pretty much you can just go onto Google. You can just type in Google Opinion Rewards on Google, or you can also type in Cross Media Panel. They also call it that as well. See if they have any openings and then join. But if they're not open, don't worry. There's another site that you can go onto, which at the time of this recording is accepting new people, and then you can earn, up to $440 as well doing this. So what Smart App is that make your interests matter. So pretty much it's the same exact thing as Google Screenwise panel. What you can do is you sign up, and then you give it a list of devices that you have. And so for example, I have it installed on my computer and on my smartphone. and they just pretty much just track how you use the internet, what sites you go on, you know, things that people already track anyway, so you might as well be getting paid for it. And the reward system is actually really nice, because what it is that you get $10 on your first month, which is really nice. And then they do have extra surveys and extra giveaways which you can do to earn some money as well. I personally don't do them because, you know, I have other things to do with my time as well. But you can earn $10 per survey. You know, you can earn up to $150 a year if you participate in it, and then you get quarterly loyalty bonus incentives as well. So you can earn $5. So you pretty much earn $5 every month, but then after like around 3 months, they give you an extra $5. So it's another $10 per month. And honestly, this is really nice, because what's great about these things is that you install it and then you completely forget about it for like 3 or 4 months. And then you come back, you see that you have like $20 in the bank, which is, you know, for doing absolutely nothing, it's actually pretty nice. And then you can just deposit it right to your PayPal account, which is like, you know, exactly what I do here. This is what virtual analytics is. Another site that I haven't tried, but it seems to be the same exact thing, is called Mobile Expression. So it looks like the pretty same exact thing. I actually might sign up for it, because, you know, might as well from doing nothing. And it's a data collection app, so it's the same exact thing. They can track you, and they use the internet for market research purposes, and they also have service you can take. The same exact thing as the panel app, which they mean by the smart panel app. So yeah. Okay, so that is literally how I earned $440 doing absolutely nothing. I just installed these apps, let it run on my computer, let it run on my phone. They collect data on me, and then I get paid, which, you know, they're already collecting data anyway. So if you want to be a little bit more active in making money online, and let's say make $50 per day reviewing websites, click on the video up there where I show you guys how to do something, become a user tester and test websites and make some big money fairly quickly too by reviewing websites. See you guys in that video. Take care.